Hi, my name is Trey. I'm a support engineer here at E1 Solutions. Today I'll be talking about how to fix the integration locked / deactivated error that you can get with your SmartConnect integration schedules. So if you are getting that error that I was just showing over here, the integration is locked and deactivated, you might have noticed that you might have had a few previous runs that just kept getting locked up and trying to rerun later. And eventually it'll just try to reschedule it one last time. If it can't, it'll stop trying to reschedule it and it'll also say it's unsuccessful, like this example here. If you are running into this issue, it's a pretty easy way to solve it. Once you get through that, you can, once you are running into this issue, the easiest way to fix it is just go into your SmartConnect dashboard, go down to your process scheduling, and find the schedule that is having the issue. Right now I don't have it, but I will show you how to resolve it regardless. So yeah, once you find it, say it's this one, for example, it's having the issue, click on the edit schedule here. I'll pull up this screen, and then you can look at all of these settings. The only settings we care about here is schedule enabled. If it gets disabled, you might need to check this, and then allow long running schedule. You'll make sure that you want to check this button so that basically if it can't run, it'll just keep trying to run it longer than 50 minutes. Usually integrations don't take that long to run, but this will just allow SmartConnect to keep trying even if it fails once or twice. So once you have both those options selected, you can press save. That should update your schedule. And you can see that it should be scheduled again here, and then you can see if it's successful and rescheduled if you pull up that button there. Again, I didn't have mine set up before, so now that is all set and good, you can make sure that it's set up successfully, and if it was, you should see it run at your next scheduled run date, which will be populated right here. And if that is all looking good, then you have successfully resolved your error.